Dili. Wow.
إلكترونية وهواتف
Di ana jud mi. Wala daw mahana at naanhig ka ta. Inagay. Empty, empty. Doors closing. Clear. Hi, Gino. We are in the metro. 3KD lang daw, 1 month. And I'm here in MJ's villa. Sosyalin ng aking friend Shufti. Dito po ako. Bago lang lipat siya at ito po siya. Hi! And this is my room. Nice, nice. Very nice. Yeah. Malinis pa kasi bago pa lang siya lipat. Bago pa lang siya lipat kaya malinis pa yan. Dako, imong bed ng Inday. Ay wa, may tagalinis siya. Nice.
Ang compound. May
Bathroom.
tagalinis dito.
The kitchen is huge. Yeah?
I like it.
Nice.
I need a cook.
She needs a chef. This is the living room. Dining. Nice, Doy. Daghang AC. Daghang AC. Are heading out for dinner with Miss MJ, and this is how the accommodation looks like. Parang ano? Maganda accommodation niya, malaki. Kaya nice, very nice. Nice sila ha accommodation, oh. Dako kay villa.
Wala ko accommodation last.
Nasa taas. Nya moingon pa siya di siya ganahan taas. Mura ra magtaas kaayo. Di ra ba jud taas? So this is the area where Miss MJ is staying.
Like Kuwait.
Just like Kuwait, but it's more clean.
Yeah. Don't ever
Organized.
litter because you're gonna be fined 300 riyal,
Oh.
which is 30 KD. Right?
Yeah. And the streets. Nice. Ayan, pareho lang naman sila ng structures. Kasi bagong area ito, parang ano,
Blooming area to.
Blooming.
Yung new city.
new city nila.
Come on, napihan niya. Maliit lang na park.
Same.
Different.
Pero iba yung structures. Pareho ng ano.
Oh man.
Oh. Nice ang chandelier. Interesting. Akong guide, oh. Day, agi lang kong Harvey ni Coast, day. The welcome dinner
Yes.
is sushi. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Sige na.
Good morning, world! Good morning, Qatar! And this is my second day. At meron akong cook dito. Ganda-ganda, oh. Oh, di ba? Ka-sexy. Ang ganda ng kanyang kitchen. Malaki. Oh, ganun lang ang trabaho ko. Nagkape na po kami. Mamaya kakain. Kasi gagala kami ng buong araw. Bisdak, manggod mi. Kaon mig sapsap.
Put na day, oy. Tagalog ng sapsap.
Put-put di idol.
Kuha sa Cebu ba?
Ako day taga-asaw ko, di ko taga-Cebu.
Ay, ako hindi mo taga-pantayan ng tata kamalong sa kagputput.
Put-put ba? Sapsap man na day. Let's eat, let's eat. Oh. Kasarap. Meron pong supply ng Red Horse dito, oh. Sino may gusto? Bit-bit ako sa Kuwait?
Ano na ka, day?
Tara, day! Gusto na wala sa kinastusin.
Pwede ko para maka-ato na
Sa front seat. Siya may nag-una, oh. Sa...
Where are we going, Des? Where are we going? Okay, where's the entrance? Sure, we are in the backside. Yeah. Maybe there. Nope. Nope. Come on. She's following the rules.
We don't follow the rules.
You are in Qatar. You really follow the pedestrian crossing. All right.
Here we are.
What is this,
The
Dai?
name of the mall, I don't know.
Village Mall.
Villaggio Mall. Okay.
Yes. Get ready to enter the heaven.
Let me start filming.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there you go.
We are in Venezia.
wow.
Now we have arrived in Venezia, in Venice. Qatar Railway is very convenient. Wala pa masyadong katao-tao mga people. Tingnan naman ang aking ano, ganda ng aking travel guide. Ang tahimik ng kanilang station. Kaunti lang people, oh. Nakailang sakay na tayo. Pangatlong sakay na to ngayon. Aray.
Pogma.
Ay,
Fountain. Ay, sa
mga fried chicken ba sila dahil?